Hello everyone, my name is Faith Montgomery and I'll be showing you how to create study sets on Quizlet. So first off, you'll just type in Quizlet.com in your web search bar and it'll bring you to this home page. If you don't already have an account, you have three options when signing up. I already have a Google account with Quizlet, so I'm just going to go to the top right and sign in. And it brings me straight to my home page. So I'm going to go ahead to the top and click Create a Study Set. And I'll be using the example of my French class to show you how to do this. So on this side I can choose a language, so I'll put the English definition here, and then here I can choose what language I want. I'm looking for French. So I'll just type in a random word here. I don't know the French word for that, so I'm going to click this little magnifying glass and have it auto-define for me, which other Quizlet users have already done. So another way that Quizlet is very helpful is you can add an image, and it already looks it up for you, so I'm going to go ahead and put it there, so when I'm studying it just makes it very easier. I'll demonstrate all of this one more time. Type in magic wand, click auto define because I don't know how to say that already, and add an image. You also have the option to add a voice recording, so that would be ideal for me if I want to know how to pronounce the word, especially if it's for an oral exam or anything like that, or just to know for when I'm using it in speech. So I'm going to go ahead and leave it at that and click Create. If you want, you can also add a description. I'm not going to do that, and you can change privacy settings, but I'm just going to leave it all at that. Click Create. And you have the option to add it to a class or a folder. You can also share the link with anyone if it's for a class or anything. So very easy to do all of that. So I'm just going to add this to a folder, which I don't already have one, so I'm going to create it. So French 1050 vocab. Create that folder. And it brings it right there. So I'm going to show you some cool things to do with other study sets I have. So I'm going to go to this, which has a lot more terms, so it'll be easier. So I can, if I was using specific terms, I can put it in alphabetical order. Here it doesn't really work that well because I have sentences and everything. You have several options when studying, so you can use flashcards. And here on the right side you can see it gives you various options. You can do it with audio or not. You can have it showing both sides of the card or just one side. You can also just let it play through. Or you can click to flip through the cards. You also have a fill in the blank section where it'll tell you the word and you just type it in. You also here, you type what you hear, so it'll give you some kind of audio of what the other side of that card would have said. Now my favorite is the test part. So here I've already created a test for this. So you just kind of choose your options if you want it to be a written exam, if you want it to be matching, multiple choice, true or false, or you can choose to have them all or any combination of them. You can also choose how many questions you want to have on it based on how many terms you're wanting to study in that moment. And then you also have an option to play some games on Quizlet, which makes the studying very fun. So here's one example, and then you also have this gravity game up here. So that's pretty much it. I hope this gave you some insight on an awesome resource for studying. Thank you.